Hi, welcome to What's Becky Cooking, where I prepare family-friendly recipes that everyone's sure to enjoy.
Okay, so today in Becky's kitchen, we are making chicken fajitas in the crock pot. I have already started by putting in peppers, onions, and some chicken with some taco seasoning. I'm now going to add a little more chicken into it. So, it's pre-sliced chicken breasts. As Jack says, they're a little slimy. Ooh. I'm just going to add them into my crock pot. For some reason, they're not coming out very easily. Ooh, yeah. And then once the chicken is separated into the crock pot, we sprinkle 2 teaspoons of taco seasoning on top of it. I've already got, let me get a paper. I've already got the taco seasoning here in the bowl. And I'm sprinkling, sprinkling. And now I'm going to turn over each chicken breast and just sprinkle it on the other side. Jack didn't like the sound of the chicken, so he's not nearby right now. Oh God, it is a bit slimy. So, sprinkle again. Next on the list, and I have to refer to my recipe just to be sure. Oh yes, some garlic. I don't have fresh garlic. What I have is this new sort of garlic, which comes in a container. It says it's fresh and it says it's organic. So I'm just going to spread this about on top of the chicken, and the flavor should go everywhere it needs to go. The next thing it said to do is add some lime juice. And again, I don't have a fresh lime, but I have one in a plastic little lime container. So we're just going to squirt the lime all around. Smells delicious. Next thing to do, let's check our recipe again. We got the lime juice. The next item on the list is 1 can of diced tomatoes. I have that right here. Sprinkle that on top. Oh, that's going to be just delicious. Oh, yeah. And then the other half of the onion, which I'm going to slice up really quickly here. Oops, I'm not using a knife, I thought. So, somehow I've managed today to cut 2 onions without any crying. I don't know what that's about. A couple more onions, and then the rest of my peppers, which are right here. Now the onions are going to fall apart while they're cooking. I think that might be the last thing to do. Other half of the onion, a little more lime juice, and then you just cook it for 3 hours on high. When it's done, I'll show you what it's going to look like. When it's done, this is what it's going to be. Looks good. Okay, have a great day. Okay, so the next thing that I have to do is brown some ground beef, because the kids in my house don't always want to try the fabulous recipes that I make. So I'm going to go over to my stove and I'm going to brown some beef and make taco meat out of it. So catch up with you later. Am I on? Still browning the meat. Once the meat is brown, what you have to do is you take this. You can use it to baste the turkey, but I use it to remove fat. Once you separate all the fat, then you're ready to add the taco seasoning. See you in a little while. Time to drain the fat. They say that if you buy your ground beef with a higher fat content, then you'll have more flavor. So all that means to me is that I have more to drain before I move on to the end of my recipe. Did you just see somebody walk past me back there? Okay. We're ready for the next step. Okay. I've added the taco seasonings because the fat is all drained. So now I'm going to add a little bit of water, and then we're going to let it simmer for a couple minutes. The water will allow the taco seasoning to just disperse itself around the meat.
All done with the meat. Now you just have to wait for the crock pot. Later. Waiting for the crock pot to be done. Check back with you later.
No, I do not want you to record some more later.
So, you can make pasta out of zucchini, and they call it zoodles. So there's a pasta-less pasta salad that I'm learning about right now. Later. Are you recording me? Darby! Oh!
Cut!
Still waiting. Okay, our 3 hours are up. Let's check on the chicken. Okay, we're pretty excited for another family meal. Thanks for watching What's Becky Cooking. See you soon.